Hi there. Today we're taking a look at 10 awesome replica and kit cars for sale in the US. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to participate in the 500 subscribers model kit car giveaway. Let's get started. Number 1. 1956 Porsche Speedster, $47,500, Lake Oswego, Oregon. According to the seller, this is a 1956 Porsche Speedster replica that was built off a 1971 Volkswagen Beetle chassis. And they really spared no expense. It has heated seats, a Bluetooth speaker system, and the car runs beautifully. Under the skin, it's powered by a CB Performance 2276cc engine with forged internals, a hybrid turbo, and high-performance injectors. The build includes quality parts like a forged chromoly crankshaft, H-beam rods, and a lightweight flywheel. The seller says it comes with a clean title and it's ready to go. Number 2. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette, Indy 500 Limited Edition, $25,000, Black Diamond, Washington.
Original owner's manual.
Seller's description says this Corvette is a true garage gem. It's a 1978 Pace Car Limited Edition replica made to commemorate the Corvette's 25th anniversary and its debut as the Indianapolis 500 Pace car. The paint is a striking black and silver two-tone with a red pinstripe, plus mirrored T-tops and unique spoilers. Inside, it has dated leather seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and special badging. It's equipped with the L82 V8 engine package and a 3-speed automatic transmission. The seller says it's complete and ready to drive, or it could be restored to perfection. Number 3, 1994 Lamborghini Diablo, $32,000, San Diego, California. The seller explains this is a replica of a 1994 Lamborghini Diablo built on a heavily customized Fiero frame. The body is thick fiberglass, solid with no rattles, and the paint looks fantastic. It even gets mistaken for a real Diablo almost daily. The car has an interior, though not an authentic one, and it comes with a clear California title. The seller is willing to ship but notes that a $500 non-refundable deposit will be required to hold the deal. Number 4, 1965 Factory 5 Roadster Mark III, $49,000, Alvin, Texas. According to the seller, this Roadster is finished in Ford Race Red with Ford magnetic gray stripes, and the custom paint was done by Gordon Levy. The chassis and all metal components were powder coated during the build. It's powered by a Stage 4 347 engine from Levy Racing, with forged pistons, AFR heads, a custom cam, and over 450 horsepower. The transmission is a T5 manual, paired with a Ford 8.8 rear end and track lock. It has Willwood brakes, QA1 adjustable suspension, a carbon fiber dash, auto meter gauges, keyless ignition, and a GPS speedometer. Built to be a powerful daily driver, but still a true performance machine. Number 5, 1977 MG Midget, $5,500, Rogers, Arkansas. Seller's description says this little MG Midget is complete, runs and drives, and has a 1,500cc engine paired with a 4-speed transmission. It's wearing new tires and has an aggressive camshaft in the engine. The seller is clear. The car is sold as shown and no delivery is offered. Number 6, 1965 Shelby Cobra, 429 big block, $46,500, Normal, Illinois. The seller describes this as a professionally built Shelby Cobra replica, stretched 8 inches for taller drivers. It was originally purchased in 2006 but wasn't completed until 2016, so it's basically a fresh build. The car has a Ford 429 big block motor, a T10 4-speed manual, 4-wheel disc brakes, and a Ford 8.8 rear end with 3.73 gears. It's finished in gray with black stripes, fitted with American Racing Shelby wheels and BF Goodrich tires. The seller says it's extremely fast, gets attention everywhere, and everything works flawlessly. Number 7, 1931 Alfa Romeo Boattail Roadster, $9,300, Delavan, Wisconsin. According to the seller, this Alfa Romeo kit car was built on a 1967 Volkswagen frame and is in perfect condition. It has a brand new motor with only 2,000 miles on it, installed by Buggy Coach in Florida, with receipts included. It has a clean title and a manual transmission. The seller says it comes with an extra set of wheels, an exhaust, and other miscellaneous parts. It's a unique ride, though the seller does note it's a tough fit for taller drivers. Number 8, 1965 West Coast Cobra, 427, $35,000, Cherokee, North Carolina. Seller's description says this Cobra is running a 460 engine with Sniper EFI. It has tubular A-arms, Willwood brakes, and rides on good tires and wheels. It comes with a car cover, tonneau cover, and a battery tender. The seller says it's a fun cruiser, not a show car, and does have some cracks in the fiberglass, but it's mechanically solid and ready to enjoy. Number 9, 1966. Ford GT Heritage Coupe 2D, $145,000, Tallahassee, Florida.
Here's a video of the GT40. We're going to crank it up. Doug, crank it up.
According to the seller, this GT40 replica was professionally built by Modular Motorsport Racing in California and manufactured by Autosport GP Engineering of Scotland. It's race-prepped but still street legal, with a 650 horsepower Coyote V8 and a 6-speed manual Audi transaxle. It has built-in pneumatic quick jacks, adjustable pedals, a GPS speedometer, vintage air, and Willwood brakes. The seller says it weighs just 2,400 pounds and includes full documentation and receipts. Serious buyers only for this one. Number 10, 1967 Ford Cobra, $45,000, Gulf Shores, Alabama. Seller's description says this is an ARNT's factory-built Cobra kit car, engineered by Mr. Arntz, who worked with Carroll Shelby. The car was later tied to Ron Butler Racing. It has a 427 Ford FE side oiler engine with a steel crank, Lehman's rods, and medium rise heads, paired with a Ford top-loader transmission. The rear end comes from a 1967 Jaguar XKE with a 3.42 ratio. It also has new clutch components, fresh brakes, and only about 900 miles on the new drivetrain. That would be it for this episode. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. See ya!